Today on Uncovered, we'll explore Torifune Asteroid. We are traveling deep into the solar system to figure out how two massive space rocks can crash into each other and stick together without blowing up. When you picture an asteroid, you probably imagine a giant round space potato. But the universe is full of surprises. Recently, a Japanese spacecraft flew past an asteroid named Torifune and discovered it looks exactly like a giant floating peanut. This bizarre shape is called a contact binary, and it is actually incredibly common in our solar system. Today, we are going to unpack exactly how two massive space rocks managed to stick together without blowing each other to pieces. A contact binary is a single astronomical object made of two distinct bodies that have gently fused together. Instead of a perfect sphere, they look like bowling pins, snowmen, or peanuts. The two lobes are usually made of ancient rock, ice, and dust left over from the very beginning of our solar system. Scientists care about the skinny neck between the two lobes because it can reveal whether the pieces pressed together softly or were squeezed and reshaped later. When you see a contact binary, you are looking at a cosmic puzzle piece that has survived intact for billions of years. Imagine taking two giant balls of soft clay and slowly pressing them together until they stick. That is essentially what happens in the freezing vacuum of space. These conjoined asteroids are fascinating because they give scientists a pristine window into how planets are born. Asteroids are small enough that they did not melt and mix like full-size planets, so many still preserve ancient clues on their surfaces. By studying how these small bodies merge in deep space, researchers can understand the exact rocky building blocks that eventually clump together to form Earth and the other planets. The fusion process begins when two separate space rocks orbit the sun in similar paths. Because they are traveling in the exact same cosmic neighborhood, they are bound to interact eventually. Over millions of years, their gentle gravitational pull draws them closer together. It is like two massive ships drifting toward each other on a perfectly calm ocean. Eventually, they finally collide at a very slow speed. That tiny difference decides the outcome. This slow-motion bump is absolutely crucial for the entire process because a high-speed crash would shatter them both into a million tiny fragments instead of joining them. Because the crash is so incredibly gentle, the low impact force prevents them from shattering apart. Instead of breaking into pieces, the two rocky bodies fuse into a single peanut-shaped object. The surrounding space dust and their shared gravity lock them in a permanent embrace that lasts for billions of years. To recap the full mechanism, two orbiting rocks drift together. Their gravity pulls them into a gentle bump at very low speeds, and they fuse into one solid contact binary. It is a perfect example of cosmic recycling happening right in our own solar system. This slow-motion fusion is exactly why our solar system looks the way it does today. Every single planet, including the rocky world you are standing on right now, started as tiny grains of dust that bumped together to form pebbles, then larger rocks, and eventually massive worlds. The trick is that early growth often depends on gentle sticking, not dramatic explosions. When advanced spacecraft like Hayabusa 2 photograph these peanut-shaped asteroids out in the dark, they are capturing a small-scale version of the same mechanism that helped build our entire planetary neighborhood from scratch. You can actually see this gentle fusion principle in action right in your own kitchen. Next time you pour a bowl of cereal, watch how two floating pieces of cereal slowly drift toward each other on the surface. When they finally touch, the surface tension of the milk holds them together as a single unit. The forces are different, but the lesson is similar. Slow approaches can make objects join instead of bounce away. Gravity in deep space works in a very similar slow-motion way to pull massive rocky objects into a permanent cosmic hug. Quick check time. Here is my question. What do scientists call a peanut-shaped asteroid that is made of two fused space rocks? A contact binary.
The peanut shape of a contact binary is not just a funny cosmic accident. It is the physical proof of how gravity gently pulls the universe together, piece by piece, to build planets. Next time you see a picture of the night sky, remember that even the biggest worlds started as a slow-motion hug between two rocks. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new Uncovered. That's the story behind how peanut asteroids form. Stay curious, stay kind.